Creating presentations takes hours, but Copilot can help turn ideas, documents, and reports into professional slides instantly. Imagine describing your topic, uploading a report, or asking for design improvement, and watching PowerPoint build your slides in real time. Copilot for PowerPoint isn't just a tool. It's your creative partner that supports slide creation, enhances design, organizes content, summarizes information, and shapes your entire presentation story. Let's explore how it works. First, meet Sarah, a busy professional. She types, "Create a 10-slide presentation about Microsoft Copilot for beginners." In seconds, Copilot drafts a structured deck. Title slide, agenda, main topics, like features, benefits, getting started, and a clear conclusion. With just a prompt, what used to take hours is done in moments. Next, a manager uploads a detailed business report and asks, "Convert this document into executive presentation slides." Copilot analyzes pages of text, summarizing and transforming key findings into clean, visual slides. The result is concise, impactful, and ready to share, with powerful charts and smooth transitions that impress any boardroom. Now, picture a trainer preparing a workshop. She uploads her existing slides and asks, "Improve this presentation by adding better structure, speaker notes, and professional design." Copilot instantly refines her layout, grouping content logically, adding sharp headings, enhancing readability, including speaker notes for engagement, and a modern, vibrant template. A quick before and after reveals the difference, from cluttered and dull to clear, bold, and cinematic. So, how do you use Copilot? Open PowerPoint, click the Copilot icon, and start with your topic. Specify your audience. Are you teaching students or persuading executives? Mention the number of slides you want. Request a design style, such as minimal or vibrant. Review each slide. Add or adjust images, charts, or icons. Use Copilot to generate speaker notes and rehearse your flow. You're in control. Copilot gives you a foundation, but your choices shape the story. While visuals matter, powerful presentations use fewer words, striking headings, consistent colors, relevant icons, and animated charts. Speaker notes help you deliver with confidence, keeping you connected with your audience. Remember, PowerPoint isn't just slides, it's storytelling. Copilot accelerates creation, but only you bring the message to life. Ready to transform the way you present? Comment your next presentation topic, like, share, and subscribe for more on Adri's Tech. Copilot helps you create presentations faster, but your message makes them powerful.